You think your air conditioner is helping you sleep. You're wrong. It's actually destroying the most critical phase of your nightly recovery. In fact, the ultimate secret to waking up with limitless energy wasn't invented by a Silicon Valley tech company. It was perfected 2,500 years ago, in the middle of one of the deadliest deserts on Earth. Welcome to the Persian Sleep Matrix. Today, you are going to learn how ancient empires built massive, cone-shaped ice makers in 100-degree heat. And exactly how you can steal their thermodynamics to biohack your bedroom tonight. If you struggle to fall asleep or wake up feeling exhausted, this video will change your biology forever. The biology of the drop. To understand the ancient secret, you must first understand your own brain. To enter delta wave deep sleep, your core body temperature must drop by 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. But your modern AC just blasts cold air at your skin, causing your blood vessels to constrict and actually trapping heat inside your core. Your skin is freezing, but your organs are boiling. The ancient Persians didn't have AC. They had the bad gear, the wind catcher, a towering chimney that didn't just blow air, it manipulated pressure. The wind catcher protocol. The bashkir worked by pulling hot air up and out of a building while dragging cool, dense air down. It created a constant passive exchange. How do you replicate this? You stop closing your bedroom door by cracking a window at the bottom and opening a high vent or door across the hall. You create an exhaust system. You aren't just cooling the room. You are continuously pulling the thermal heat radiating off your body away from your mattress. The qanat evaporation hack. But airflow isn't enough. The Persians combined the bad gear with a qanat, an underground water channel. As hot wind blew over the water, it flash-cooled the air. This is evaporative cooling, and you can biohack it tonight. Taking a hot shower 2 hours before bed doesn't heat you up. It forces blood to your skin. When you step out, the moisture evaporates. This evaporation triggers a massive, rapid drop in your core temperature. You are acting as your own qanat. You trick your brain into thinking the sun just set in the desert. The Yakchal thermal mass. Finally, the Yakchal. These giant clay domes stored ice all summer. Why? Thermal mass. The walls were 2 meters thick. They absorbed heat slowly and blocked the sun. Your modern bedroom is the opposite. Synthetic memory foam mattresses trap heat instantly. You are sleeping on a thermal battery that charges up with your body heat all night. Swap the synthetic foam for natural fibers, cotton, wool, or cooling layers. Build your bed like a yakchal. Create a microclimate that breathes rather than suffocates. The ancient Persians conquered the desert by working with thermodynamics, not fighting it. When you align your bedroom with these ancient laws, delta sleep isn't an accident. It's a guarantee. But manipulating your temperature is only half the equation. If your circadian rhythm is shattered by the wrong light exposure in the morning, none of this matters. Click the video on screen to see how a 5-minute morning light protocol fixes your broken sleep drive. I'll see you there.